You are flying your brand new FPV drone through a tight gap. Your heart is racing. Then suddenly a small gust of wind pushes the drone slightly off course. Crack! The drone hits a branch and tumbles to the ground. You pick it up and immediately notice the nightmare every pilot fears: a deep scratch across the camera lens. Normally this would mean the end of the day, either an expensive camera repair or sending the drone away for weeks. But what if you could fix that damage in just 60 seconds, for the price of a cheap lunch? That is exactly the idea behind DJI's upcoming Avata 360, and it might completely change the way FPV pilots fly. This is not just a small upgrade with slightly better motors or longer range. It represents a new direction for DJI's FPV lineup. The journey started back in 2022. The original Avata made FPV flying easier for beginners. The Avata 2 refined the experience with better stability and performance. But the Avata 360 is taking things to a whole new level. The biggest feature is right in the name: full 360-degree video capture. Instead of recording only what's in front of the drone, the camera records everything around it. That means you can fly normally and choose the camera angle later during editing. Miss the framing? No problem, just reframe the shot afterwards. For creators, this is a massive upgrade. It turns the drone into a flying camera rig that captures every angle at once. But surprisingly, the most exciting feature might not be the camera, it's the repairability. According to leaks from well-known DJI insider Jasper Ellens, DJI may release a $50 lens replacement kit. The kit reportedly includes 2 replacement lenses and the tools needed to swap them yourself. That means if your lens gets scratched during a crash, you can replace it on the spot in about a minute. For FPV pilots, that is huge. No more ending your flying session because of a damaged lens. Even more surprising, rumors say the new Avata 360 batteries may actually become cheaper. The Avata 2 battery costs around $100. But the new battery could drop to roughly $70 while increasing capacity. Reports suggest the capacity may jump from about 31.8 watt-hours to 38.6 watt-hours, giving pilots longer flight time. More flight time, cheaper batteries, and easy lens repairs. That combination could make the Avata 360 one of the most practical FPV drones ever made. And unlike regular 360 cameras like GoPro Max or Insta360 models, this one can actually fly at high speeds and capture cinematic FPV shots. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Avata 360 might become the most creator-friendly drone DJI has ever built. And for many pilots, it could finally remove the biggest fear in FPV flying: the cost of crashing.